So my Chromebook, it loads to this where it says local image A, local image B, verified image A, verified image B. Sorry about the blurry picture. I created a USB installation of Linux Mint, the live boot, whatever you call it. Booted it up on my Chromebook, and here it is. And I'm going to use boot repair. So I typed in boot from the bottom left over here. Let's do it over again. After booting, I went to Linux Mint, typed in boot, run boot repair. No, I don't want to update now. So I'm going to let it do its thing. I tried running boot repair off of the Linux installation I had, and it didn't fix it. So I'm thinking this will fix it, doing it from the USB flash drive. And I won't upload it. I'm just going to say no to that. It says it's repaired. Okay. Gives me the text file. But anyways, let me go try rebooting the machine. Hopefully it doesn't reboot to this screen. It reboots to a different screen. We'll see. With my luck, it won't fix the problem. But anyways. I haven't been using Linux because of this problem, even though I can still boot into it. I just was lazy. I wanted to make sure to fix this first. But anyways, that's doing its thing. I just press this. Now press Control L. Press 1 to go into UEFI boot. And if everything works, it'll show something that shouldn't be that. So that didn't fix my problem. So I'm back to square one still.